CEO of Intelligent Cranium Helmets, a majority veteran and minority-owned smart helmet technology company based right here in the US. I came up with this product idea with one goal in mind, and that was to save as many motorcycle riders' lives as possible. Let me welcome you to the final stages of this journey.
Welcome, James. I've checked all iC-R systems and everything is functional. You are clear to ride as soon as you're ready. I'll await further commands. Have a safe ride.
Okay, Ari. Record my ride.
Ride recording started. Incoming call.
Stop recording.
Recording stopped.
The other unique thing about this, with the technology and everything that you got in it, I cannot believe how light this thing is. 2.6 pounds. It's amazing. I love these guys. They're hardworking. If there was any company or anybody that I would ever think about investing in, it would be these two. It's family, and I believe in them. They've been working so hard on this, and I couldn't put my faith in anybody else but this team. And I advise you to do the same. If you're going to get in on this, get in on it early. Do your investment. This thing is going to blow up, I guarantee it.
All right, guys, this is it. Functional prototype is done. A lot of the hard work is done. We have the production is ready to go. We have a little bit of software left to do, and a little bit of hardware integration left as well. But we're ready to go. And all that's left to do now is to get your pre-orders in. Support this company, support a company that will always be here to support you.